On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Minnie, I'm so sorry. We're gonna get you in that garage over there. I didn't know the weather was gonna do this. Oh man, I hope your battery's good now. Woo! Good cold start, Minnie. What's this crap? I can't believe your battery's still good. I forgot to shut that off. I didn't forget about you, Minnie. You know I still love you. No doubt. Jeez, you're old and creaky. How'd you get all flipped around like that, Minnie? What the heck? I'll definitely let you get warmed up. Oh, gee. I gotta work on that. Oh man. Got a lot of stuff to work on there, Cheezo. Slacking. Let's go for a ride first, Minnie. Everything is a project when you own too much shit. Yeah, you're faster, Minnie. No doubt. There, Minnie. Nice to stay nice and dry. Have to say, if I had to choose between a supercharger build and a turbo build, supercharger all day, every day. maybe I have not experienced everything that turbo will do. So if you've been wondering where I've been for the last few days and haven't been posting any videos, don't worry, there's plenty of coming. You'll be bombarded soon. I got some microvan mods and a few camera reviews heading your way in the next few days.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.